Packing list explained. Essential for every traveler. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase, packing list. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about English travel vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into what a packing list is and why it's important. Packing list is a compound noun, composed of two words, packing and list. Let's break down each part. Packing. This refers to the process of putting items into bags or suitcases in preparation for a trip or relocation. List. A list is a series of items written down, typically in a sequential or logical order. When combined, packing list refers to a written record of all the items you plan to take with you on a trip. It's a checklist to ensure you don't forget anything important. A packing list is more than just a reminder, it's an essential tool for organized travel. Here's why it's so important. Prevents forgetting essentials, ensures you remember all necessary items, from clothing to chargers. Saves time. A packing list can save you time both in packing and in avoiding last-minute shopping for forgotten items. Reduces stress. Knowing you have everything you need can greatly reduce travel-related anxiety. Creating a packing list is simple but requires some thought. Here are steps to make an effective packing list. 1. Consider the destination. Weather, activities, and local culture can all impact what you need to bring. 2. List essentials first. Items like passports, money, medications, and tickets are non-negotiable. 3. Add personal items. Clothes, toiletries, electronics, and any other personal items come next. 4. Review and revise. Double-check your list to ensure you haven't missed anything. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, packing list, and its importance in travel preparation. Remember, a good packing list is key to a stress-free journey. Happy travels and happy learning!